like the gearbox might have a pretty decent problem. All the oil that came out of it was glittery as all I started pulling the thing apart. I've never rebuilt a gearbox before, so at the moment I've got no idea what the hell I'm looking at. I have pulled down a gearbox before when I've had a snap selector fork, so I know what that looks like. This doesn't seem to be anything as obvious. There's no, magic fork in half. Some of the, I think they might be the synchros coming off the input shaft. Yeah, sort of took himself apart pretty good once the front casing comes off. But some of the teeth on the inside of here are cut your finger with, like I don't think they're meant to be that sharp. There's also quite a lot of pitting, more than a few things there that make me think they're not meant to be there. Also got a few other things to tick through on the list from after the shakedown at Winton. Fuel level sender is getting jammed on the foam inside the fuel tank. I've got to swap him out. Luckily Radian make a shrouded one. We've got to obviously put the bigger spew tank in the back. Rear catch can is way too small, so we'll go swap that out. Currently it's only got like a 1 litre one. We'll step that up to a 3.5. And another second-hand T56 gearbox from Marketplace has made its way into my hands. I'm going to throw that in the car so I can keep the thing running for the meantime and maybe get it back out on track as soon as possible while we pull this one apart and suss out what's wrong with it. Looks like the rear seal where the tail shaft yoke goes in let go, so it's sprayed fluid all over the exhaust everywhere. So I think that was the smoky session at Winton that kind of ended the day a bit early. Australia come through, they've inspected the car and it's all ticked off for its logbook, which is awesome. So one other step closer to racing. Basically just need to get the car back out at a track day soon so we can get some more laps under the belt and get myself an OLT done. I'm hoping we should be able to make around 3 Victorian State Sports sedans towards the middle of the year at Phillip Island. Also, if you're going to be around at all the Australian Grand Prix at Albert Park, come have a squiz over at the golf course. The S15 will be parked up there somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but when it gets closer to the date, I'll be sure to make people aware.